Beginners are making money with AI videos right now, not because they're geniuses, but because they're solving a very boring problem that most sellers don't want to deal with. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how that works and why it's happening in 2026. Let's start with the business model, because this only makes sense once you see where the money actually comes from. One of the biggest problems in e-commerce is video. High-quality product videos convert better, but they're expensive and slow to make. A traditional product shoot means finding models, hiring a videographer, renting a studio, and editing everything together. For most brands, that easily costs between $5,000 and $10,000 for a single shoot. That cost makes sense for large brands, but it completely blocks smaller sellers. Many Amazon and Etsy sellers know video would help them sell more, but they either can't afford it or don't want the hassle. This is where AI comes in. Instead of filming real people, beginners are using AI to create clean, professional-looking product videos for e-commerce listings. These videos are used directly on product pages or inside ads. The value here is simple. Adding a video to a product listing has been shown to improve conversions by around 25 to 30%. For a seller already making sales, that increase is massive for their business. Most beginners start by targeting listings that don't have a video at all. These are easy to spot on Amazon and Etsy. If a product has good photos but no video, that's an opportunity. Instead of charging thousands of dollars, beginners charge something very reasonable. A common starting price is $100 per product model. That feels affordable to the seller, but it adds up quickly. If you work with one seller who has 20 products and each product needs a video, that's $2,000 from one client. If that seller has different variations, like colors or styles, the number goes up fast. 10 sellers like that across a month can easily reach $12,000 without needing a huge audience or brand. Now, let's walk through how these AI ads are actually made. One of the most popular tools being used for this is the new version of InVideo. The reason people use it is that it combines several high-level AI models in one place, including Sora, VEO 3.1, and Nano Banana 2. You don't need to understand each model in depth. You just need to know how to trigger the best ones. First, sign up for InVideo and log in. Once you're inside, look for the section called Create AI Ad. Now you need to give the AI the right instructions. You don't need a long script, you just need to give it the right inputs. Your prompt must include 3 things: the theme of the ad, a link to the Amazon product, and instructions that tell the AI to optimize for ads. The exact prompt to use looks like this. Create an AI ad for Amazon product URL. Optimize for ads and try to hit all the emotional points for the script. This works because it tells InVideo exactly what the goal is. It pulls information from the product page, understands that this is an ad, and builds the structure around persuasion instead of explanation. Once you've entered the prompt, move on to the assets. If the seller has product photos, upload them here. These images help the AI stay accurate. If the brand has a logo, upload that as well. This keeps the video consistent with the brand instead of looking generic. Now, go through the settings carefully. Set the duration to 30 seconds. This is long enough to show value without dragging. Shorter videos often feel rushed, and longer ones lose attention. Select the platform as YouTube. Even if the video ends up being used elsewhere, this gives you a clean landscape format that works almost everywhere. Attach the brand logo if one is available. This makes the video feel official and professional. The most important step here is selecting the Ultra setting. This tells InVideo to use its best available models, like Sora or VEO 3.1. If you skip this, the video will still work, but it won't look as polished. Once everything is set, generate the ad. InVideo handles the visuals, transitions, voiceover, and pacing automatically. You're not editing clips by hand, you're supervising the output. Now let's talk about how beginners make these videos look more realistic and more valuable. One problem with AI ads is consistency. Designs can stretch, faces can warp, and logos can look wrong. To avoid this, people use specific AI agents to lock things in place. A common example is Etsy clothing designs. Start by taking a photo of the design, for example, a printed shirt from an Etsy listing. This can be a flat image or a mock-up. Next, find a random base photo of a person. This should be a clean, front-facing photo with good lighting. Now use this prompt. Use NanoBanana 2 to put this design on a real model. NanoBanana 2 is very good at placing designs onto clothing without bending or distorting them. This is important because sellers care a lot about how their product actually looks. Once you have the image of the model wearing the design, you can turn it into a video. Use the V3 model to animate the image. This creates short clips where the person moves naturally while the design stays intact and the face remains realistic. This step alone massively increases perceived value. The seller gets a video of their product on a real-looking person without paying for a shoot. Now let's talk about scaling, because this is where beginners either stay stuck or grow quickly. The easiest clients to target are Amazon sellers with multiple variations of the same product. Think different colors, sizes, or styles. Filming each variation manually would be a nightmare for them, but with AI, it's fast and repeatable. Once you've created one video style for a product, you can duplicate it and swap assets. That means more output with less work. Another strong option is brands that run Facebook ads. These brands constantly need new video variations to test different hooks, visuals, and audiences. They don't want one perfect video. They want many good ones. This opens the door to recurring work. Instead of charging once, you can offer monthly packages that include a set number of videos. This gives you a predictable income and gives the brand fresh content. What kind of seller will you offer AI images and videos to first? Let me know in the comments below. While you're there, check the description for some helpful resources that I've linked, and don't forget to like and subscribe.